camera fail. I won't restart it because I'm too lazy. And what's up? I'm just making me a burrito. That's a moldy burrito. That's a disgusting burrito. Moldy burritos! Okay, I like them. No, I don't. They're disgusting. Alright, let's look for more burritos! Burritos! Ow, voice crack. Okay, let's just look through burritos just to make sure they're not all infected. Please? Hey, this one ain't. Hey, this one ain't. And this one is. I hate open moldy burrito. Every time I step on the mic, I don't know. Alright. 2 minutes, 30 seconds. Okay. What is going on, everybody? I gotta fix my hair. Where's that doggo? Where's the doggo? Oh, there's that one. There's that one. The other one like hey, you were blending in. It's because that's kind of racist. You're blending in with everything. Well, it's kind of dark actually. Oh, that didn't help anything. I better be turning on that TV. Yeah, be turning on the TV. This is on HDMI 1. Alright. Xbox boys. I smacked my head against the wall today. Literally, I broke my tooth. I lost it. And it was a full-grown tooth, which kind of annoys me. So I was like playing with my dogs and they kind of pushed me a lot. And I smacked my head and like, see that there? Yeah. It wasn't so fun. I don't know what I'm doing. But let's sign in, little boy. Sign in. There you go. Leg out. Where is that one Need for Speed game? Need for Speed. Oh, there's from my Far Cry 4. I'm looking for Southpaw. I should watch that, but I should not. Because I'm really not in the mood now. Where is Need for Speed, though? I can't find it, so I need to find it, because Need for Speed is really fun. Oh. Hey, battery, hey, battery. Oh, I found it. Yay. Good game. I'm pro. I have every car in the game almost, except the harder ones to get. So, yeah. I also have like 1 million in this game. I have over 1 million. It's because I play it a lot. It's so beautiful. I am super good. I love my cars. And I got the complete edition, so it comes with. Let me read. Start reading here. That light dough. That light dough. Oh, I can't read it. Dang it! It's in Spanish. All right. Let's get our burritos. Oh, they look exploded. Man. I think I cooked them too long. Because they are steamy hot. Oh, that's my coffee. That I got like 10 minutes ago. It's all gone. Except for the rest. This is why you're stupid. This is why I'm stupid. This is why I'm stupid. Let's use that knife, though. Oh, God. I think I'm doing it wrong. I'm not the pro cooker, but yeah. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. If it wide open. I mean, not open. I uploaded some Modern Combat 5 today. And I love that game personally. I am waiting until I get a capture card. I can't wait actually until I get the capture card. And then I could be recording like Need for Speed Rivals. And this knife is so dull. Need for Speed Rivals. Okay, this should work. Some Black Ops 3 when I get to the Xbox One or PS4. I prefer Xbox One, but you know. Ugh. Hot. You know what? This is a waste of time. This is a waste of time on the video. Man, I'll just do this after the video, seriously. I was thinking of uploading some Terraria or Minecraft or whatever today, and I didn't do it. I uploaded Modern Combat 5 instead. Good. Yeah, but I was really thinking about it. I was like, what would they want? And yeah. I'm still surprised this thing is not dead. I will cut until you are dead. Hot. The wind is outside and it's being annoying. Oh, Lilar. Okay, and burrito, I'll cut. I'm not gonna lick that. Not that side of the blade. Alright. We need some hot sauce. Gas pedal. Where is the hot sauce in this bag? Del Taco sauce, yay! Oh, pop. I love you, Grace. Love you, Maya. Del Scorcho. Old. Okay. What else do we have? Just Del Scorcho and Del Inferno. Oh, Del Inferno's the hottest? Okay. Probably not as hot. Because I eat hot foods all the time, and they don't get me. The ghost pepper. Taco at, Del Taco. Now that one gave me a run for my money, but the Chipotle and the other one, I can't remember, Hot Habanero. Yeah, I don't remember its name. That was good. It wasn't that hot. I would, like, want to eat that all day. Like, I love habanero peppers, pepper. You got all this leftover. Oh! Went down the wrong pipe. That's not good. That's good. Oh, there's nothing to drink. Oh, yeah, I have a soda actually. Great move. I don't know actually whose this is, but I'm just gonna take it. It could be my mom's, it could be my dad's, it could have been my mom's boyfriend, but I don't care. I just want it. Okay, that's kind of weird, but okay. I was sick. Was it Wednesday? Yeah, no, Tuesday. Yeah, I was sick Tuesday. And then, you know, I was and when I get Black Ops 3, I'll be also getting a capture card. So I can record all of that fun stuff. So during around Christmas time, just look at my channel because I'll probably have a lot. If my parents are not home, it gives me time to upload. That's why I like when my parents are gone, so I can upload. I've been trying to do a video a day. I've been home all day. Alone, just waiting for my dad to pick me up at 8, 6:47. So. And, yeah, this is good. Why don't we eat this every day? And, yeah. So, I have about a minute left to record. Oh, no. Earthquake! No, I'm just kidding. Alright, guys, well, I love this. It's so good. I could go for some Burger King right now, though. I mean, like, if you're following me on Instagram, that's really good. This is super good. Then you know what I post. Stupid stuff. Things that's going on. Little vlogs, like 15-second vlogs. Supply drop openings, which I am going to be doing. Like I did one today on Advanced Warfare. And I got a double elite. They were nothing good. I mean, it was just a supply drop rare thingy. And then, oh no. And then, a reinforcement. Well, guys, see ya.